So, laboratory activity number 6, the accelerometer. So, the objectives of this experiment will enable the student to control the angular displacement of the robotic arm or the servo motor using the accelerometer to create a computer program user interface to display the data coming from the Arduino. Introduction. Articulated arm is a robot with rotary joints. It can be used for a wide variety of applications. In this experiment, the articulated arm is used as an output for the accelerometer sensor. So, an accelerometer is an electromechanical device that will measure acceleration forces. These forces may be static, like the constant force of gravity, or could be dynamic, caused by moving or vibrating of the accelerometer. By measuring the amount of static acceleration due to gravity, you can find you can find out the angle the device is tilted at with respect to the Earth. So let us discuss the code. So I have inserted the accelerometer library ADXL345 and the wire and the servo. So in servo, we have three servo motor. Servo 1, 2, and 3, and the ADXL345. So we have also integer x, y, and z, row x, row y, and row z, map row x, map row y, map row z. So meaning we have three angle which are the x, y, and z. Then in void setup, we have attached the servo motor as servo 1, 2, and 3. So each every time the ADX1 is in power on. And in void loop, we have the three angle which are the x, y, and z. So there are also delay in servo 1, 2, and 3 and having 15 seconds delay or 15 milliseconds delay. So each every time I move the servo motor, it will show the angle of x, y, and z. So in experiment number 6, I have used 3 servo motor, SG92R, then 1 accelerometer, AXDL 345. Then servo motor, first servo motor is in digital 5, second servo motor is in digital pin 6, then third servo motor is in digital 7. Then the accelerometer is in analog pin 5 and analog pin 4. Then let's try the experiment now. Each every time I move the accelerometer, the specific angle of x, y, and z will change with respect to Earth's angle. Every time the angle changes, the servo motor will move according to the angle of the accelerometer. As you can see, even though I change the angle quickly, the servo motor is responsive, meaning the accelerometer is accessible to the other component.